Hey, Christina here. Let's see what today's question is. Your first step in pretty much deciding on wanting to get a new hair system or getting a system in general is to either book yourself an online consult or come in for an in-person consultation where our hair loss specialists or hair loss technicians will pretty much go through a thorough consultation of questions of what to ask you, whether you want something more natural, durable, maintenance, how often you want it maintained, how often you want it on your scalp for, or if you have allergies, we can pretty much do a patch test to see if you are allergic to any of our adhesives. So what we will do is also teach you how to measure your own thinning area through an online consult, or if you are in an in-person consult, we will measure your thinning area for you as well as color match you. So if you're thinking about switching companies, what you can do is go on our website. You can go under the search engine. If you know your base size, you can search base size. If you know what model you want, you can search the models. You can also search based on color as well. So it's pretty easy to maneuver. Or you can also call our customer care line. They're pretty useful in helping our clients out if they ever have any questions they may have. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.